Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do something a little bit different with you. I want to have a little play and just see if we can make makeup from a meme into like, you know, like fashion makeup, just really nice makeup. So I always look at this one in particular, I'll put on the screen now, of this girl on the back of a car. It's the best thing ever. We've all seen it, it's pretty old. But I always look at her makeup and think there's some kind of editorial thing going on there. You know, like that could be some advert for something and everyone will be like, oh my god, fashion. I wanted to take this kind of makeup and make it into a look that can probably like work, if that makes sense. So we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna yeah, make that the meme into makeup basically. So let's just start. But before we get into it, if you don't know who I am, my name is Robert. I am a professional makeup artist. It's Michael here on YouTube to help you become the best makeup artist you can be, or just someone who's really amazing at makeup, or just someone who knows everything about makeup. And I like to think that all my videos have some kind of benefit to your makeup career or your makeup goals. And in this case, I guess we can kind of see how we can take inspiration from anything, even not so great makeup, although she tried her best, you know, and make it into something that can work for us. So let's get straight into it. Let's zoom into my eye. All right, I'm gonna do both eyes today. Usually I just do one. The palette we're gonna be using is the Morphe 35M, the Boss Mood. It has all these colors. I kind of just look at these purples down here. And I know what I want to do is, I got these from Lime Crime. These are the glitter things. So I've got like a bluish kind of glitter, a bluey green, and then this is more purple, although it's not showing up so purple on camera. But it just looks like she's had like loads of fun with glitter, so let's just go ahead and do that. I don't like glitter, but luckily this product just wipes away really easily. So let's just begin. So I'm going to start with my eye base, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Prime and Lock Eyeshadow Primer. So I look at this picture and I see like quite a nice shape and I want to create almost like a halo eye, but one that comes really, really high up. So this could be a complete fail for us today, or this can be a success. We will see. Let's just blend all that in. So we're going to use that picture as an inspiration, not as a literal, you know, let's copy it exactly. I'm going to start with a palette from Lunatic Lab Cosmetics, and this is Supernatural. Now what I like about these is we can get like a purple tone transition. So if we use this shade, oh actually no, this shade is a little bit deeper, but because we're doing like a more blown out kind of look, we're not going to do a transition shade through the lid, like through the socket, sorry, like we usually would. We're going to do it more on where we actually plan on doing the halo. So let's go, in that picture it's kind of right up here, so let's take it right up, and I kind of want everything to go at this angle. So let's just tap on the lid on the inside corner and blow it right up to the brow, and then let's tap on the outside corner and take it again right up to the brow, leaving that middle bit nice and light. So I kind of want to concentrate all our glitter here in the middle, but I want to build up that colour. Okay, so now let's get into our Morphe palette. I want to go for these really rich glittery shades. Let's take this one here. And I'm one of those people that throws away the plastic insert as soon as I get it, so I don't know the name of that one. I'm kind of just making this up as I go along, so I hope everything looks great. Let's build it up in the outside corner. I just want to take it up to about here. Not too high, and then we'll start to blend that out. Same on the inside corner. Not too high. And let's take the brush that we used for the colour before. And what I'm kind of thinking is to make it look messy, because, you know, it's not the tidiest of makeup in the picture. So we want it to look messy, but still have some kind of structure to it. And these Morphe colours are very pigmented, so a little bit at a time, and then blending that out. Let's blend it right up to the brow. So what I'm going to take now, because we're making a halo shape, is the Revolution Cut Crease canvas. I'm taking the shade Illustrate, and we're going to cut right down the middle of the lid. Best way to do cut creases or things like that is with a MAC 195 or 192? 195 brush. Now, symmetry here, we want to make sure we're getting it kind of in line and matching the other side. I'm going to take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to pat over that. Make sure it's all faded out nicely. Then what I want to do from here is use a darker tone to kind of deepen the outside corners a little bit. So let's go back into our Morphe palette. So let's take the darker shade right here of the Morphe palette and let's go to the outside corner just here. And inside corner just there. Being a little bit more precise with where we're applying the colour now. I'm really just patting on that colour. So I'm going to take the brush that we used to do the purple the first time and just brush over that seam, just tap over. And let's take that darker shade. What brush is this? So that darker shade under the eye. Again, I haven't really been too careful with my positioning and things like that with most of it because it's such a messy look and such a messy application. Of course, because she's a child and she was just having a good time. I kind of want to get that messiness into the look as well. Now I'm just going to take a big clean blending brush and I'm going to go over the areas where I think maybe that could be a little bit more blended. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of each glitter and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand and I'm going to grab a brush with synthetic hairs and I'm going to start by tapping on the inside corner just here. And I'm patting almost in like little circle motions with glitter because you don't want to wipe because you kind of run the risk of removing the makeup underneath because it's almost like putting a liquid on top of a powder, like they don't kind of set well together. Again, I'm using a brush with synthetic hair and I'm just going to tap. And let's take it right up here. So I'm going to take a gel liner from Inglot. This is the AMC liner in the shade 66. I'm going to use this on the waterline. I'm just smudging it along the bottom lash line. Just to have it blend a little bit. Alright guys, so let's go and put on some lashes and then pretty much we'll be done. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. It's definitely not something I would do on someone all the time, but it was fun to do. It was fun to create something a little bit different. Thank you so much for joining me guys. If you have any questions, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you very soon. Bye.